Stop spending much time writing long prompt to AI and thinking that you'll get better results. Hey everyone, I am Louis Dem and welcome back to Tech with Them, powered by Dem Labs INC. Today, I am addressing the very issue that most people face. When you dump a 500 word prompt into the block, the AI loses priorities and skips key details. This can result to unproductivity, waste of time, generic output, and constant follow-up prompt when you feel that you are not satisfied with the results that the AI has generated. Instead of going through all the stress, you can just use simple and structured prompts. This can be done using the 4-step structure, which is role, context, rules, and then the last one, format. You want to know how to do it? Let's go.
So here's what most people do. They write a 500 word prompt to any AI tool, whether it's Gemini or ChatGPT, and they expect the AI to give them the best result. When I hit generate or I edit something, because I already tested this, I update, and then I asked Gemini to give me a script for my next video, for this video. Alright, and it gave me a very bad script according to my long prompt where I explained every detail and it was not well structured. So this, first of all, this is not what I asked for, and second of all, the script is not what I want. So if you are not satisfied with any of your answer, long prompts are not necessary, and this will cost constant follow-up prompts. When I mean constant follow-up prompts, I mean when you are not satisfied, you continue to try to make it better with more longer prompts. Now, the fixes: use the 4-step structure like I told you earlier, which stands for role, context, rules, and format. Alright, so I'm not going to go to one other chart that I applied the 4-step structure. If it is there, yes, it is here. We have role and objective. Act as an expert YouTube script writer. Your task is to write a compelling video hook about AI prompt engineering. I gave it a role to play. Context: just a line of context who this is for. The rules: third, I tell it explicitly what not to do. Then format: fourth, the exact output format that I want. Now the AI will look at all these details and generate a much better result. Here are 3 high retention video hooks designed to stop the scroll and keep viewers watching. Alright, so this is everything. So this is a better result that I wanted with just under 30 words of prompt.
Now, you see the difference between simple and structured prompts and long essays. It saves time and gives you better and better results. Hit subscribe at Tech with Them, like, share, and turn on notifications button so that you can get more efficient technology tips.